So today we are upgrading the head unit in this Golf Mark 5 with the brand new 8-inch Android head unit, giving us wireless CarPlay, YouTube, Netflix. So let's get started.
On the app and on your smart.
Five minutes later.
And there we have it. We are finally done with the head unit install. We now have the ability to utilize a reverse camera. So once I put the vehicle in reverse, the feed from the rear camera comes on screen. We also have adapted guidelines. These can be disabled if you don't like them. If you want a video on how to install a reversing camera, please do comment down below. Next, let's look at entertainment. Netflix runs pretty well. As you can see, there's no lag when going through the user interface. There's also no lag when running the film or TV series. Sometimes you do have to wait, but that's due to the mobile hotspot connection and not the head unit itself. YouTube also runs pretty well with no lag. Lastly, we got CarPlay. No need for wires as this head unit supports wireless CarPlay. There's no major lag, but you need to remember that with any wireless CarPlay, there will be a slight delay in comparison to a wired connection, but it's nothing noticeable. And there we have it. Thank you for watching. The stereo link will be down in the description. Let me know what mod you want to see next and make sure you subscribe to Auto Upload.